Veloster is engineered around a new independent, multi-link rear suspension. So you get both responsive handling and great ride quality. We've retuned the steering with a quicker ratio to suit the car's more athletic platform. We've stepped up to a 2-liter Atkinson cycle engine. Our Veloster Turbo returns with our 1.6-liter GDI engine. The turbocharged engine is mated to a choice of a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission with paddle shifters. Our Turbo Ultimate features a heads-up display. When you select Sport mode, it transforms to a very cool, performance-focused display. The next generation center console interface includes our 8-inch audio display, which controls an 8-speaker Infinity premium sound system with enhanced cargo area subwoofer. Veloster also makes big advances in active safety, with all of these impressive safety technologies now standard on every Veloster. In addition, blind spot collision warning, smart cruise control, and high beam assist are available.
When you drive an N, your heart beats faster. Beats per minute, not revs per minute. That's our goal at N. The Veloster N was designed to introduce our philosophy to North America. Our engineers have fully internalized the motorsport philosophy of precision, feedback, and predictable response and applied it to our first high-performance car for the US market. Our in-house developed N-corner carving differential and N-power sense axle enhance grip and provide that unique carving feel throughout the corner. The Veloster N will feature significantly higher engine output, instant power, thrilling torque, and while numbers aren't the whole story, they're still pretty amazing. Up to 275 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. With the arrival of the Veloster N later this year, we will open a new chapter in the history of Hyundai Motor Company.